Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can save any template in WPBakery library. Let's log in into my demo website, and after that in the plugin sections here you can see I have installed WPBakery page builder. And after that, now let me go to pages, and then let me edit one of the page. Here you can see it has various rows. Now if I want to save this one, simply click here on pencil icon, and after that click on the settings, then save as template. Here I can give a name, for example A2, then save changes, then update. But if you want to export this template, just you can install a new plugin. Simply you can type keyword WPBakery, and after that you will find out various plugins. This one, export and import page builder. Now let's activate, and after that on the left side here you can see templates, import and export. Click here, then select any template that you want to export, for example this one, then export it. In this way you can save any template in WPBakery library, and after that you can export them.